Alright, back again, and in this tutorial we will resume from previous. So we try to find out that why the camera wasn't performing as it should have. To 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 solve, to debug this further, what we did was we debugged friends number like this and the friends number like this. So what this will do is pretty simple. So in the first pass, the previous value, which was 0, and the new value was 10. So our squad size should be 10. And then in the second pass, we went through this red dot. But what showed up was that previous value was 10, but new value was minus 10. So ideally, our squad size should have been 0 here. But what it tries to do is, instead of performing the changes on minus 10 thing here, what it does is that is it sees that minus 10 is less than 0, which is true. This is the new position minus 10, which is less than 0, which is true. So it will return instead of doing any manipulation at all. So to solve this further, instead of friends number here, what we will do is create a we will simply put friends number is equal to uh, friends. Okay, let's do like this. Friends number is equal to this minus friends number previous. So what this means is that it will our new number will be 0 in case for plus 10 and minus 10. So what it means is that if friends number value is 10 and then we pass through minus 10, or like this, minus 10 minus 10 like this, then the value will be clear. So if we do this and see what happens, so 0 and 10, this is what showed up. So now we will try to pass here, and as you can see 10, and out there is showing 10, and camera manipulation did happen. And now if you press minus 10,